click run. Alright, it's so fast this. Now it's uploaded to Facebook pages and well, that's all. Go back to our database and here we have the link and this was changed to post. Okay, now when I see our Facebook page, this is what I'm using here. Click refresh and alright, this is our post. You can do it. Hi everyone. Today we want to look into how to automate Facebook Reels scheduling for free using make.com. Okay, here we have the flowchart. After you create your reels, you only need to upload and save on your Google Drive. You create a file here, you save all your reels, and then you only need to select the date. Any date that you decide, you just need to select, and this automatically will pause it. Okay, well, that's all. Let's get started. We must start from scratch. So go here and create a new scenario. Okay, now the first thing we need is here we're gonna use Google Sheet as a database and select search rows. Here you need to select the spreadsheet ID. In our case, it's social media. Okay, this is the name of the spreadsheet. You can set up this spreadsheet with these files: title, URL, content, date, posted. Okay. The next step here is select the sheet number 1. And then we need to filter by date. And here, when I use this, go here. We need to give a format date and select here the time now. When I have this format, month, day, and year. Okay. Now, here that's all. Click OK. And here, now we're gonna add a new module who is search for a file. Here we search the file that we uploaded on Google Drive, okay? For this, you need to go here and create a new file. I put in the name here, the name video for this file. So jump into make.com and here you select this file, social media, and the name is video, okay? And retrieve these files, search. I'm selecting file folders names and query. Here we need to select the title, okay? Because we're gonna search for the title. Now, that's all. Okay. Well, now we need to download this file, okay? So select this module and here we select the file ID is the same of this previous module, the file ID. Select this and that's all. Now it's time to add our Facebook page. Okay, so here type Facebook, here Facebook pages, and here go and upload a video. Okay, choose this, and when you have here, you only need to come here and select the page. Remember, you can add a connection, so you here just made this, and that's all. It's all easy. Okay, in my case, I'm using this key count. Well, choose your page. Now, this automatically will recognize the file in this case and description. I'm gonna go here and select the content. Okay, well, now here the last module we're gonna add here is to again to Google Sheet, and we're gonna update the row. Okay, with the row with the spreadsheet is the same. Social media, the sheet number, the sheet name, row number here is the same on the first module. Okay, row number, and that's all. Now we're gonna update here. It's here in the URL. We're gonna select the web content link. Okay, and if it was positive, we're gonna type here positive. Okay, that's all. Well, we finished this. That's all. Now we're gonna make a test here. So go to social media. There's a file, and we're gonna update the reel here. Okay, so come here, and this is uploaded. Perfect. You have here your reel. Okay, now go to our database, and I'm gonna type here real motivation. Remember, the name that you use here, this should be the same. Okay, this is so important. Now, content, I'm gonna type something like you can do it. Just some images. Okay, and the date, I'm gonna choose from today because I'm gonna make the test now. Okay, and here, obviously, 3, 2, 1. Here, obviously, we're gonna select schedule. Okay, now, here, click run. Alright, it's so fast this. Now it's uploaded to Facebook pages, and well, that's all. Go back to our database, and here we have the link, and this was changed to positive. Okay, now we're gonna see our Facebook page. This is what I'm using here. Click refresh, and all right, this is our post. You can do it. Okay, perfect. That's all. Well, this is the old Flowchart we're going to be using here, and basically you can pause unlimited reels here. You only need to upload your reels. Okay, after you create all this, you can save here, and put the same name, select different dates that you decide here, different date. Even more if you need to add some times, you can put that time here. Okay, now this is a flowchart. Remember, you can join this with your another social networks. You can use Instagram, you can use YouTube. That's all you need to add here. Okay, and that's so simple. Well, you can use ChatGPT to put and create some automatically some description for the content. Some you can add some hashtag here. Okay, and that's all I think. Remember, stay tuned for more, and see you in the next video.